Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time go faster in Terraria. First, a simple method is to sleep in a bed. This will increase the game's speed by 5 times. For a more significant jump, the enchanted sundial can skip an entire day and night cycle, advancing time by 24 in-game hours. If you are playing in journey mode, you have access to a convenient time slider, allowing you to precisely control the speed of the game, from 1/2 to 24 times normal speed. Beyond the basic methods, the Enchanted Moondial is a powerful tool that allows you to skip an entire night cycle, which is 12 in-game hours. When combined with the Enchanted Sundial, you can effectively skip a full day and night, a total of 24 in-game hours, instantly. However, it is important to remember that certain in-game events, such as active boss fights or invasions, will temporarily prevent any form of time acceleration from working. So, why would you want to speed up time? One major benefit is farming. You can quickly cycle through days and nights to trigger specific events, making it much faster to acquire rare event-specific items. It also significantly accelerates the growth of your crops, trees, and herbs, which is incredibly useful for farming resources. Essentially, time manipulation allows you to efficiently reach any desired in-game event or condition without waiting. Before you start rapidly advancing time, here are a few important tips. Remember that speeding up in-game time has no effect on your real-world time. Also, be aware that while time can be sped up, some events still require specific conditions or triggers to occur, so simply skipping time might not always work. Finally, it is always a good practice to save your game before using significant time skips, just in case you miss something important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.